blogs, we have a page in every community that lists all the different blogs that exist within the system. This is what we're looking at here. So this page gives you a little bit of a preview of what the blog is about. So you can start reading of it, and hopefully if this interests you, you can click right here to read more. So I'll just scroll down real quickly so we can see kind of what this looks like. So there's an amount of blogs right here, and at the end of the page then we're able to go to more pages and view more blogs. So let's maybe go to this first one and hit read more. When we hit read more, as the name applies, it'll show us this entire blog that we have right here. Here we go. So we have a few options here that every blog has. They can be easily mentioned on Twitter, Google+, Facebook, or LinkedIn as well. We have a way to share this by email very easily. So this is kind of what it looks like to the end user. But let's dive into the control panel and see what it's like to add a new blog. Blogs can be found under our community section. So let's just click blog and we'll go ahead and create a new blog post right here. So we simply add new right there. So now we have a little form pop up, and this one will allow us to put some data in that have to do with the blog. So I prepared a little file right here. So let me just grab this title right here. So I put in a title. As I enter the title, my URL will automatically be created. As you notice, it will substitute some characters that are not very well suited for URLs. It does this automatically. We can select which author that we want to have listed. This will only be people who have either are administrators or have blogging rights within the system. We can work permissions right here, meaning if it's only maybe for certain groups or for the general public, etc. Our blogs can be segmented by categories. So in this case, I'm just going to select the general category. And we can also add tags to blogs, which will make it easier to find within the system. And we can add meta descriptions, which really help with SEO so that your blogs are more discoverable by search engines. So, but let's hit save right here. So what's happening, we've added a new post right now, or actually the title has been added, but as you notice, we of course have not put anything into the body of this blog yet. So what's happening in the background here, this blog is loaded, and just like on other sections of the page, we have this edit button right here. So clicking this opens the edit box, and so we can go ahead and put the text in. I'm sure you'd rather not watch me type, so I'll just copy paste what I have right here and I throw it in. So if we're kind of happy with this and what it looks like, we can leave it, or we can use the drop down tools right here to maybe do some formatting. Maybe we'll make something bold. Think it's a little bland. Maybe we could add a picture. So I'll have one right here that we can use. So I'll drag this guy right in and drop it here. So we're uploading the picture. This looks okay. I'm thinking maybe I want to have it to the left, and how about let's wrap the text around the image. Looks good to me. Okay, and I'll hit save. So now this blog is ready to go, but it's not published yet. So if we want to publish this blog, we can either go back through the control panel to edit our blog, or we have a link right here that will allow us to edit the details of this blog. So, and we can go in there, as you see under post info, this is set to draft right now. We can hit publish right here, which means it'll be published immediately, or we could also publish this in the future. Maybe we want to have this at a certain time, or we're in a situation where we would like to create 3 or 4 blogs and then have them scheduled so they automatically are going to be released. So in this case, I'm just going to select publish right here, and I hit save. Tells me that we successfully updated the blog. Brings me back to the main list right here, so I can verify, yes, this blog is here. It has been published. So we'll close this form. Let's go back to the blog page. And if everything went well, we're going to see this blog in the top of the lists. And here we go. This is the latest blog we just added.